1 cup of English.
Real English for real life.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Jason. And let me ask you something. Have you ever understood everything someone said in English but had no idea how to answer?
Like, the words are clear, but your response? Nothing comes out.
That happens because you know English, but you don't know real English, the short, casual phrases people actually use every day.
Today, we fix that. We're talking about phrases like, I'm not gonna lie, it is what it is, no worries, I got you, fair enough, and about 15 more.
After this episode, you'll know exactly what they mean, when to use them, and how to say them naturally.
And before we start, hit like if you want more real English like this, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.
And hey, do you know any of these phrases already? Tell us in the comments, we're curious. And if you stay until the end, you'll have a whole new set ready to use. We promise.
Okay, let's go.
First phrase. It's been a while.
It's been a while means a long time has passed. You haven't seen someone or done something for a long time.
You use this when you meet someone you haven't seen in months, or when you come back to something after a break.
For example, you see an old friend at a cafe.
Oh, wow, it's been a while. How are you?
I know, so good to see you.
Simple, warm, natural. And there's a more casual version. It's been a minute. Same meaning, a little more playful.
Damn, it's been a minute. You hear this a lot in casual conversation and shows between friends.
Say both with us. It's been a while. And it's been a minute. Go. Out loud.
Next, what have you been up to?
This means, what have you been doing lately? What's new in your life? It's a friendly, easy question.
You use it when you haven't seen someone for a while and you want to catch up.
Hey, what have you been up to?
And the perfect easy answer, not much, just working a lot. You?
Not much means nothing special, nothing exciting, just normal life. And that's a completely fine answer.
Not much, kind of tired. Not much, staying home a lot. Very natural.
Say the question. What have you been up to? Go.
And think about your answer. What have you been up to this week? Try to say it in English. Even 2 words is enough.
How's it going?
You know, how are you? This is the casual, everyday version. More relaxed, more real.
Native speakers say, how's it going, much more than how are you in everyday conversation.
And the answer is simple. Pretty good, thanks, you? Or, not bad, busy week. Or just, good, good.
Let's do it.
Hey, Jason, how's it going?
Pretty good. Tired, but good. You?
Not bad. Kind of a long week.
Short, easy, real. That's a full greeting in 10 seconds.
Say it with energy. How's it going? Smile when you say it. The tone matters.
Tell us in the comments, how's it going for you today? Seriously, we want to know.
Now, kind of and sort of.
These 2 little words are everywhere in English. Kind of and sort of mean a little, approximately, not completely.
They soften what you're saying, make it sound more natural, more human.
Instead of I'm tired, very direct, you say I'm kind of tired. Little softer, more casual.
Instead of it's difficult, it's sort of difficult. It means, yes, it's difficult, but not extremely.
Examples. I'm kind of hungry. It's sort of complicated. I kinda like it. That's sort of weird.
Real people say these constantly, in every conversation.
Say it. I'm kind of tired right now. Is that true? Say it.
Feel free to tell us in the comments. I'm kind of... Finish that sentence. How are you feeling right now?
I'm not gonna lie.
This means I want to be honest with you right now. I'm going to tell you the truth.
You use it before something honest, a real opinion, a real feeling.
I'm not gonna lie, that movie was really boring. Honest opinion.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Honest feeling.
I'm not gonna lie, this coffee is amazing. Honest compliment.
It adds emphasis. It says, okay, real talk. Here's what I actually think.
Say it, I'm not gonna lie, and finish with something honest. About your day, about your week, about English.
Go ahead, say it out loud. Now, reactions. Because real conversations need real reactions. When someone tells you something surprising, what do you say?
First, seriously?
Seriously? Means, really? Is that true? I'm surprised.
Someone says, they canceled the concert.
Seriously? Why?
One word shows your reaction completely, and it invites more information. The other person keeps talking.
Say it with surprise? Seriously?
Next reaction, no way.
No way means, I can't believe it. Really? That's surprising.
Good surprise? I got the job.
No way. That's amazing. Congratulations.
Not so good surprise. The meeting is at 7 a.m. tomorrow.
No way. That's too early.
Same words, different energy. Your voice does all the work.
Say it both ways. No way. Happy. Then, no way. Not happy. Feel the difference. And, you're kidding.
You're kidding means, are you serious? I can't believe this.
I found 50 euros on the street today.
You're kidding. That's so lucky.
It shows you're really reacting. The other person feels heard, feels like you're listening.
Say it with energy. You're kidding.
Okay, tell us in the comments. What's the last thing that made you say seriously or no way in real life? Tell us in English. Even simple words are fine.
Now, phrases for when things go wrong. Because things go wrong sometimes, and you need good words for those moments.
I messed up.
I messed up means I made a mistake. I did something wrong. Simple and honest.
Not formal. Not I made an error. Just real, human. I messed up.
You forgot an important meeting.
I completely forgot. I'm sorry. I messed up.
No drama, just honest. The other person respects that.
Say it, I messed up. It's actually important to say this comfortably, in English and in life.
That's on me.
That's on me means it's my fault. I take responsibility.
The report was wrong. That's on me. I'll fix it.
Sounds mature, confident, responsible.
That's on me. Say it.
Sorry about that.
Simple and universal. More casual than I'm so sorry. You use it for everyday small mistakes.
You spill something. Oh, sorry about that.
You send a message to the wrong person. Hey, sorry about that. Wrong chat.
And when someone says sorry to you, the perfect answer is
No worries.
no worries. It's fine. Don't stress. All good. Very warm. Very relaxed.
Sorry I'm late. No worries. It's okay.
Say the pair. Sorry about that. And no worries. Practice them together.
Because in real life, you need both sides of the conversation.
Now, agreeing. Because you agree with people all the time, and there are so many better ways than just yes.
That makes sense.
When someone explains something and you understand, that makes sense. Logical. Clear. I get it.
I think we should leave early because of the traffic.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Simple, natural, much warmer than just okay.
That makes sense. Say it.
Fair enough.
Fair enough means, okay, I accept that. That's reasonable, even if you're not completely happy about it.
I can't come tonight. I have an early morning.
Fair enough. Next time.
It closes a conversation kindly. No drama. No pressure.
Say it. Fair enough. Relaxed. Easy. Same here.
Same here means me too. I feel the same way.
I'm so tired today.
Same here. Long week.
Short. Connecting. The other person immediately feels understood.
I love this podcast. Same here.
Say it. Same here.
And if you're tired today, reply to someone in the comments with same here. Let's connect.
Now, disagreeing. Politely. Because sometimes you don't agree, and that's completely okay. You just need the right words.
I get what you mean, but
Perfect phrase. You start by showing you understand the other person. I get what you mean. And then, but here's my different opinion.
I think we should work this weekend to finish faster.
I get what you mean, but I think we need rest. We'll work better after a break.
You're not saying they're wrong. You're saying, I hear you, and here's another way to see it.
Say the opener. I get what you mean, but go and try to finish it with something.
I'm not sure I agree.
Simple and honest. Gentle. When you don't agree, but you don't want to be aggressive.
I think this is the best solution.
I'm not sure I agree. Can we think about other options?
The conversation stays open. Nobody feels attacked.
I'm not sure I agree. Say it.
Tell us in the comments, do you find it easy or hard to disagree in English or even in your own language?
Okay, a few more. Short but powerful.
I got you. 2 meanings. First, I understand you. Second, don't worry, I'll help.
I don't understand this part.
Don't worry, I got you.
Warm. Supportive. Simple.
You know what I mean?
You say this when you want to check does the other person understand you. It keeps the conversation flowing.
It was a weird situation, you know what I mean?
Yeah, totally.
Native speakers say this constantly. Very natural.
It is what it is.
This means, okay, this is the situation. We can't change it. Let's accept it and move on.
Your plans got canceled. Well, it is what it is.
It's calm acceptance. Very real. Very adult.
Say it. It is what it is. With a calm, accepting tone.
And it hits different.
This means something feels special in this moment. The same thing, but the context makes it more powerful, more emotional.
Coffee hits different on a Monday morning.
This song hits different at night.
It's modern. You hear it everywhere now. And it's easy to use.
Think of something in your life that hits different. Coffee? Music? A quiet evening? Tell us in the comments. Hits different. Finish that sentence. Okay, quick recap. Fast, like a brain workout. Say each one with us.
It's been a while. Long time has passed.
What have you been up to? What have you been doing lately?
How's it going? Casual hello.
Kind of. Sort of. A little. Not completely.
I'm not gonna lie. I want to be honest.
Seriously? No way. You're kidding. Reactions to surprising news.
I messed up. I made a mistake.
That's on me. It's my fault.
Sorry about that. No worries. Apologizing and accepting apologies.
That makes sense. I understand. That's logical.
Fair enough. I accept that.
Same here. Me too.
I get what you mean, but disagreeing politely.
I'm not sure I agree.
Gentle disagreement.
I got you. I understand, or I'll help you.
You know what I mean? Checking understanding.
It is what it is. Calm acceptance.
It hits different. Something feels special right now.
Every single one. Short, simple, real. And now they're yours.
Our question for today: which phrase from this episode will you use first? Just pick one. Write it in the comments, or use it in a sentence if you can.
We genuinely love reading your answers, and every sentence you write in English, that's practice. That counts.
If this episode helped you, please hit like. It helps us more than you know. And subscribe so you get the next one. We put a new episode out every week.
You showed up today. You listened, you practiced. That's already something to be proud of.
Keep going, little by little.
See you in the next one. Take care.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.